Hi, I'm Shona with Smith Marian & Company, and I'm here to talk to you about your upcoming connection peer groups and how you can get the most out of them. Now, it's actually very simple. It's all about the preparation. Now, being prepared is going to make a huge difference in the quality of your peer group because it prompts rich, thought-out dialogue with substance being brought to the table. That's what we want for you. So these people are here just for you. These groups are here just for you. So take advantage of all of the expertise surrounding you right now. Now, with every good preparation, there should be a list that goes with it, and we have ours right here. Now, the first number on that list is the prep time that you spend combing through all of your thoughts and your ideas and possible solutions. We suggest that you allow yourself at least 1 to 2 hours to go over these things. This is something that you can do before or during your travel time. It will vary from person to person, but as long as you put in the effort, it will pay off for you in the long run. So just remember that. Now, some things to be thinking about. Your projects. What projects are you currently working on? What projects have you finished recently? What went really well about them and maybe what didn't go so well about them? Were there any that you had to put a hold on to resculpt and restructure to make it the best that it can be? Feel free to share all of that with the group and challenge your thinking. These are all like-minded people that have had similar and different experiences to you, so they have a lot to bring to the table. So it's okay to listen and to have an open mind to new ideas and solutions. Really, one of the main reasons people should come prepared to the connection peer groups is the fact that this is not Smith Marian & Company's meeting. This is actually your meeting, and you are taking time out of your valuable schedule and spending the money and the energy on this day and a half. So we want to be sure that you are prepared to give this your 100%. Really start thinking about the questions you have for your group. Maybe you've already been thinking about them. Maybe you're thinking of some now. Take those down. Start to think about the systems and processes of your organization. Do they make sense? Are they working for you? Are they working against you? What needs to be affected to inspire that positive change? The next thing we suggest is that you take a look at your calendar. You take a deep dive within the past 6 months and then a dive into the future 6 months. And what's currently working well? What has worked well within the past 6 months? What do you want to celebrate? Who do you want to celebrate? Why do you want to celebrate them? And maybe what's not going well? What has not worked well at all? And you know for certain that it was a shortfall. And what was your biggest success that you know went great? How do you want to share that with your group? And this is just something that's so important because if you're really busy, sometimes it's hard to think about questions or what's been happening in your organization and your life. So this will really help you kind of gather and get a general sense of what's been happening. Now take a look at your goals and your priorities within the next 6 months. Are your goals actually realistic? Are they achievable and attainable? Are your priorities where and what they should be? Start thinking about the housing authority industry. What is currently happening right now? Think about your organization specifically. What's going on? Are people excited about the future? Are they crystal clear on the vision and where things are going? Are you growing? Are you innovating? Are you invigorated? These are all things to share with your connection peer group. This is a time to be open and honest and vulnerable about those big successes and about those shortfalls. So again, feel free to air all of that out in this upcoming time. Now lastly here we have a wonderful quote by Benjamin Franklin, which is, "By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail." We want you to succeed. So just remember that the more preparation you put in, the more you will get out of the peer group. So take advantage of all the expertise in the group, and we are excited. We hope you are excited, and we will see you guys out there.